To edit Google Context in Excel, which is only possible on a PC, you will first need to export your context to a CSV file. Start by going to the Google Context website, where you will find a download icon next to the three dots at the top right of the screen. Click on this icon to export your files. And from the pop-up menu, select the Google CSV option. Then click the Export option at the bottom right. Next, click on the download icon at the top right of the screen, beside the star icon, and select the recently downloaded context. This will open the file in Excel, where you can edit it as needed. You can edit rows or columns by selecting cells. And to tidy up your spreadsheet, you can hide unwanted rows by right-clicking on the top row cell and selecting the Hide option. From there, you can modify the context, edit names, or make any other changes you want. With these steps, you should be able to successfully edit your Google Context in Excel.